Tired of wrinkles, crimps, and breakage? The issue often isn't the bender. It's a mismatch between your material and the tightness of the bend. The Ercolina HB60 easily handles 1.5-inch mild steel, but as you can see here, the material is starting to buckle under the extreme stress. This buckling happens when the bend radius is set too tight for the material you're working with. Let's see the final result of that stress as the cycle completes. The solution here is to swap out our thin wall material for a more robust 0.125 wall thickness, which gives the tube the structural integrity. The next solution is to swap our 90mm centerline for a larger 130mm centerline, but this time we're keeping our original thin wall material. This larger radius is crucial for thin walls, giving the material the room it needs to stretch. You can see it right here. The former is guiding the tube smoothly around the bend, leaving a perfect, clean finish with no deformation at all. Of course, for the most demanding applications, the ultimate solution is to upgrade to an Ercolina Mandrel Bender. This technology is specifically designed to support the tube from the inside, allowing for extremely tight bends with the highest possible quality. Here's how to set up an Ercolina Mandrel Bender. They're high-quality, professional bending machines designed to maximize your profit by eliminating scrap.